they link or credit is to Newsweek. It's talking about Antarctica. I'm fascinated, honestly, with Antarctica, just like I'm fascinated with the creator and the creation of the creator and why we even exist and who made the people that made the people. It says the deepest point of all Earth's continents has been discovered in Antarctica. I really believe that everything started there. I also believe that the Garden of Eden is there. I believe that every technology, thought, anything that we have today that exists, I believe came out of Antarctica. The deepest point of any of the Earth's continents has been discovered by scientists. The trench, which stretches 2 miles below the sea level, is found beneath the Antarctic ice in what is known as the Denman Trough. Researchers discovered the trough, I hope I'm saying that right, as part of a project that make the most detailed map of the land beneath Antarctica to date. They're not telling. Bed Machine is a typography map of Antarctica showing the ridges. I love those machines. Trenches and slopes that make up the landscape. The international team of researchers led by glaciologists from the University of California, Irvine, created the map using data from 19 research institutions going back over 40 years. I wish we can go back more. It used a radar and satellite images to work out the thickness of the ice and the land below. There's so much there. I'm telling you, Antarctica is bigger than the United States. Okay? The map and findings related to it have been published in the journal. Plus, if you believe, which I do believe, there's an ice wall all around us. I'm just saying. Let me just get off that. Let's see. So it talks about the book Newsweek, and then it started. So they started working on the machine or whatever. So it said he had been creating models of the ice sheets with colleagues from NASA. See, this is why I just can't really get into all this great evidence. NASA gives us what they want. Those are the powers that be. It's just hard for me to even get excited anymore. I like when regular people find things because it's the more truth than less. So colleagues from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and when they ran the models on 2 glaciers, they realized something was wrong. Some glaciers that were known are currently losing mass, were gaining mass, for example, he said. We started investigating the problem. Was it the model resolution and inaccurate, physics, whatever? We realized that it was because the shape of the bed was not right. They said that the scientists said that if they wanted better ice sheet models, they needed a better map of the bed. So they came up with a new map, obviously, under the ice, satellite data, and changes to the surface, snow accumulations, and lines of radar data that can be applied to areas where radar is currently unavailable. The biggest challenge was Antarctica yeah, we know that. It's bigger than U.S. and Mexico. I just said that. That is one. Everybody's talking about running out of space, the theory or the conspiracy of depopulation, which does exist. I wonder why yes, Antarctica's cold. Yes, it's unbearable. But guys, there are places in Antarctica that is actually warm. Just like our seasons, they have fresh running water. Some animals that y'all may not think exist still exist there. And has anybody not noticed that we fight over everything else in this world? Oil, freedom, whatever. But every government has a treaty and a peace summit over Antarctica. They can get along over the biggest place in the world, but they can't get along with anything else. Man, please. So like I said, I don't know. So it says, once completed, however, the researchers were able to find the previously unknown features of the land below of the ice. They discovered, ridges across the troughs. I think I am saying that right. That feed the Ross Ice Shelf. This is the largest ice shelf in Antarctica and has been a point of concern to climate scientists, with research suggesting it could be a risk of collapse under global warming. I don't know. So it says the ridges are unknown. This sector of ice sheet is extremely to the increase of the ocean induced. Where is the meat and the potatoes of this thing? Oh, it says, okay, here we go. Working on climate change, we don't have good news frequently. That's being said. We found other sectors that we did not know we would be more vulnerable to climate change. He continued. The other big surprise was, of course, the incredible trough of Demon Glacier. See if I can blow this up. Yay, okay. So this is the glacier right here. Alrighty, let's see. Scientists knew this large glacier of East Antarctica had a trough beneath it, but they had no idea how deep. They had several attempts. We already know that. They used a new technique. It says that this glacier flows with deep canyons more than 3,500 miles below the sea level. Bed machine reveals that the bed beneath the ice stream is the deepest continental point on Earth. The team wrote. I just want to end it there with that. Can I please read it one more time for those who made it to the end? They say that it's the deepest continental point on Earth. I just think this is very interesting. Like I say, they're not giving us the major things to make us be like, yo. But there are people that have been going to Antarctica, like Admiral Byrd. There's a lot of people, like normal people like me, that are funding and have been going out there researching. I don't know if they're able to get as far as they think they're going to get. I believe that if you travel underground through the Kentucky caverns, I have been seeing maps and I've been mapping out some things, and honestly, you can walk right underground and get to Antarctica. It will take some time. You'll need a lot of supplies, a lot of different things, but the right type of survivor, the right type of people, we could walk it. And I did say we, because I would love to do it. But anyway, anything's better than dealing with this mindless society we live in. So programmed. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. If y'all want to check it out, I don't know if I gave you the credit. I cannot remember. Yes, it was Newsweek. I believe I said that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And hey, do not obey. Stay woke.